Hello, dear friends. I'm happy to welcome you to my channel. My name is Svetlana Tansura. Today, I want to leave a review and share my amazing results from using this incredible, wonderful device from the company Activator called the Cell Activator. I had a huge problem. The problem is scientifically called an epiretinal membrane or a membrane on the retina. So, what is it? This is when the retina of the eye is covered by a fibrous membrane. And over time, this fibrous membrane starts to contract and pull the retina with it. Naturally, the retina detaches and the person loses vision. In 4% of 100 people, the membrane forms, or rather, in 96% of people, the membrane forms in only one eye. In 4% of these 100 cases, the membrane can form in both eyes. I fell into that 4%. That is, when my vision started to deteriorate and I began to notice it, I naturally went to an ophthalmologist and I was told, "You have two membranes on both eyes." It is clear that I was offered surgery. I had the surgery and I am very grateful to my doctor. But my body's reaction was not like everyone else's. Unfortunately, this happens to people who are involved with medicine. But that's just a joke we make among medical professionals. So what happened? After the surgery, I was recovering, meaning I did everything I was told and followed all the doctor's recommendations to the letter. But just 2 weeks after the next consultation, we noticed that I just started experiencing double vision. That is, I actually saw 4 eyebrows, 4 eyes, 2 noses, and 2 mouths. My medic said, "Well, my doctor said that it's nothing serious. It will all pass with time." And I asked what happened, why. He explained to me that there is swelling of the macula. That is, the macula in our eye is responsible for central vision, no matter what I did. Suppose this treatment course was supposed to last only a month, but we extended it to 2 months because there was no improvement. Over time, I started seeing 2 eyebrows, 1 nose, 1 mouth, but everything was dancing around. So, when I came for a checkup and looked at the eye chart with letters, I said the letters were dancing like a Cossack. So you understand, the letter A was moving like this, back and forth, not just the letter A, but all the letters I saw. Yes, indeed, my vision became much better, but everything was still shaky. I had surgery in November, on November 30th, 2022. November 2022. In April 2023, I went to another doctor, another specialist, just to find out if there had been similar cases and if it was possible to recover. I did not get an answer, but I received new eye drops. Then on May 30th, in May 2023, I went to another specialist here in Spain to find out if there were similar cases and if I had any hope of regaining my health. Once again, I didn't hear anything new. I just received another set of drops, another set of products that I need to use and apply on a daily basis. But imagine that. From November 30th, 2022 to May 30th, I not only visited specialists looking for answers, but I also took many, many measures. And this includes bioresonance, various natural drops, different natural supplements, and intravenous injections to cleanse the liver, because we know that the liver is directly connected to the eyes. But nothing was helping me. By this time, I had already received my order. I had become a partner of the Activator company, received my order, and the Activator arrived after my latest consultation on May 30th. I thought, what do I have to lose? I have nothing to lose anymore. The Cell Activator works on 3 mechanisms. At the quantum level, on the ultra-long wave, on the terahertz wave, it activates and restores the cell. I will be undergoing treatment, meaning I will be using the activator. So I will be applying the activator. And so I started working. Only the activator. I didn't use anything else. I stopped all supplements, everything. Only the activator. It stopped working. On June 14th, which means only 14 days had passed, I had a visit with my treating doctor. And he always asks me, a very pleasant young man, Dr. Pomastis, that is, doctor, how are you? And I say, well, I don't know. Let's look at the chart. Let's see how our letters are dancing the Kazachok. And when I closed my eyes and looked at the chart with my operated eye, I saw that the letters were no longer moving around or dancing like a Cossack. They moved very, very slowly and extremely deliberately. And I exclaimed, oh, I can see better. Oh, I feel better already. They danced so quickly. I was with my husband. Of course, it was a great joy for me, my husband and my doctor. And he asks me, what did you do? I said, I used the activator. And what is that? I said, well, it's this device that works like this. And he said, okay, come back in 2 months. I said, no, not in 2 months. I will come in a month and I will continue doing what I was doing, working with the activator. And so we met again after a month. And I already mentioned that my letters are no longer dancing, that my letters are staying in place. The only thing I noticed, for example, if it was the letter A, the small membrane on it was slightly distorted, meaning it didn't break off. So I continued my treatment or use of the activator for my eyes until I reached the point where, when looking at the chart, my letters stand still and do not dance, and there is practically no distortion at all, and no blurriness. This is the kind of review and happiness that this wonderful device, the cell activator, has given me. Thank you very much for your attention. I truly hope that my findings and conclusions and my comprehensive review will indeed help you all decide to purchase such a wonderful device, because I will be definitely telling you a lot about it, and you will hear how much it can do, how much it can help in the recovery and maintenance of our health. We also cannot process water and obtain highly ionized and purified water as terahertz waves, which are rich in beneficial negative ions, are emitted when it operates. Additionally, we can use them to treat food products. Thank you very much for your attention, and I sincerely hope that my review will indeed help you.